Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Gentrol IGR is a hydroprene-based insect growth regulator. This product stops the insects from maturing and reproducing, and it can be added or mixed to many different contact spray insecticides. We recommend using this product indoors to control roaches, fleas, and bedbugs. Gentrol is an insect growth regulator. This means it will not kill the adult pests, but it makes them incapable of reproducing. When younger stages are exposed to the IGR, they won't be able to mature past the pupal stage. Typically, we don't recommend using an IGR alone to control pests. An IGR can control insects, but it takes time, as the insects have to be exposed and will die naturally without reproducing. This is not recommended for large infestations because it typically won't be enough to control the pests. If you want a quicker kill and broad insect control, check out Novicide aerosol and Pirate aerosol. Novicide can be sprayed around your home and not only kills adult pests that come into contact with the chemical, but it also has an IGR in the formula, so it will control younger pests and stop them from maturing. Pirate is a contact kill that can be used around the house. It even comes with a crack and crevice tip to spray in hard to reach areas like wall voids and cracks. Before using Gentrol, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. Gentrol comes in an easy to use 16-ounce tip and measure bottle or a 1-ounce bottle available in a pack of 10. To measure with a tip and measure bottle, make sure both caps are tight and then tip the bottle over. Tip the bottle back and use the measurement lines on the side of the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Fill the sprayer with the rest of the water, agitate your sprayer, and you're ready to apply. When combining an IGR with an adulticide, measure and mix the adulticide first. After filling your sprayer, add the IGR, agitate your sprayer again, and you're ready to apply. If you're applying Gentrol in an area where there's food, be sure to remove or cover any food items before treatment. Apply Gentrol throughout your home in areas where you've seen pest activity. This includes carpet and baseboards, under furniture or appliances, and anywhere the pests can be hiding. This product can be used around bed frames and box springs, but it should not be applied to bed linens or mattresses. Refer to the label for proper treatment methods around beds and box springs. Be sure to let the application ventilate and dry completely before allowing pets and people back into the area. Gentrol has a residual of up to 7 months. We typically recommend spraying every 6 months for continual control. Gentrol is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, if it's an adult, it will become sterile and die naturally without reproducing. But if it's a younger stage, it will be unable to mature fully and die during its larval or pupal stage. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.